my crafty friends, and thanks for joining me for the last tip of the 20 tips a day with Totally Tiffany to organize your craft room. So today I want to talk about kind of an overarching tip. I've talked about organizing individual things and how to do that. What I want you to think about in your craft room now is choosing the right storage tools to keep the things together that you are going to use together. What do I mean by that? A lot of it is around tools. So if I want to use my button press, I've got all the pieces for my button press right here in this box. I can take out the press, put it together, and know that I've got all the different plates that I need to actually use the button press right here in this box. Because the box is slim, I can leave it on my workspace, take out the pieces that I need and use the tool, right? I've also got all the things that I use with the button press organized right next to it. So I can grab, this is a storage and supply case, a 4-drawer. I can grab that off the shelf at the same time, have the machine, all the parts of the machine, and the different things that I need to actually use the machine, all nice and neat and handy, really easy to work with. So as you're going through your craft room and you're thinking about how am I gonna choose, what am I gonna choose to organize all of these things, keep things together I use together, think about how you use them. In this case, I need to bring it to my workspace, but I need to have all these little loose pieces as well. So this is a great choice. I'm able to keep them organized on the workspace and use the tool and able to grab the other parts that I need quickly and easily as well. Different tools, different supplies. You know, you're going to think about all of your different stamping supplies that you use together. What's the best choice for keeping all of those little tools together in one place? So when you're working on a stamping project, you can grab that. Maybe it's your acrylic blocks, your stamp cleaner, your MISTI, all of those things, your platforms. What's the best tool for keeping all of those things organized together in one place so you can bring them out and use them as well? So as you go through your room and start to get things organized, keep that thought in mind, right? How do I keep things together I use together to make it easy for me to pull those projects out or those tools out or whatever it is, use them, and then put them away nice, neat, easy, and consistent all the time. Thanks so much for joining me for 20 tips from Totally Tiffany for keeping your craft room organized. And hopefully I will see all of you tomorrow morning for Tuesday Live. You can watch that on my Facebook channel or on the YouTube channel, whatever works best for you. Thanks again for tuning in for the last 20 days, and I will see you tomorrow for Tuesday Live.